recording? Hey guys, me Lena here from Crafty Shenanigans, and I went to Michael's today and I got my first grab box for $10, and we're gonna unbox it. I started unboxing it and then my camera died, so we're gonna start over. Look at this cool hat. How do I look?
Good.
I look good? You think so? Yeah. All right, I look good according to Ripley. Says I look good. Okay, that's pretty cool. And look what else was in this box. Isn't that pretty? The price on this alone was $59.99. And I paid $10 for this whole box. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I got another hat. How do I look as a unicorn?
Yeah, you look beautiful.
I look beautiful? Ripley says I look beautiful. Okay. Oops. And then up. I got another unicorn. Now these are $9.99 a piece. I still beautiful?
Yep.
Okay. All right. See what else is in here. Oh, this one's cool. This one lights up. I haven't figured out where the switch is though. It's got to be in here somewhere, but I don't know where the switch is. But we'll find out. When I figure it out, I'll let you know. Probably behind this thing so that, I don't know. I found it. I found the switch. You see, you have to pull the little thing out because I'm going to give it. These are my grandkids. All right, and then you got to turn it on. And how does that look? What do you think, Ripley? Cute?
Yeah, why light up?
It lights up.
Why?
It just does. Do you want this one?
Yeah.
You want it? Okay, we'll take the tags off of it. And you can have one that lights up. Okay. I'm dropping stuff. Hang on. Let's turn the switch off. I have to take the tag off of it and then you can have it, okay? All right.
I don't need it.
In just a minute. I got some flowers.
That was pretty.
Those are beautiful. You like those flowers?
Yeah,
I got two flowers. They're not real, baby. See, they're not real, but I can use them in my resin projects. Ooh, won't that be pretty? Okay. Right here. I got 9 rolls of yarn. So, if you have any ideas, or ribbon. I'm sorry. So I got 9 rolls of this, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But if you have ideas, send them my way. Okay? I got 1 roll of this, so that makes that 11 or 10. And then I got 2 rolls of this one, so that's 11, 12. And then I got 1 of these. So I got 13 rolls of ribbon here. So I need help, guys. I don't want it to go to waste. All right. I got an E. So I have this is $9.99. So that would be pretty. I have a granddaughter named Eleanor, so this will be for her. I got cookie cutters. They're really cool. I mean, I got this one. It's the flag. I got one that's a star. I got the United States. And I got another flag that's a cookie cutter. Goes back in there. I got 4 gnomes, and you can hang these. These are $5.99 a piece, and I got 4 of them. I got wash your worries away for my.
I got work.
Can we put this in your room on the wall?
Yeah.
How about this one too? It says USA.
You said a Ripley.
It doesn't say Ripley, it says USA. That's United States of America.
Why?
Why? Because that's where we live.
No.
Okay?
Oh,
And this is a necklace that I got, and it's $5.99. No, you know what I'm going to do with this necklace? You do?
Yeah.
What am I going to do with it?
Put your hand.
No, I'm not going to put it on my head.
Mom, why you put it?
I'll show you here in just a second. We'll move it all the way over here. Because you like necklaces. And we're going to stick it on there. Show them, Dee Dee. Isn't that cool? And I got this sign that says, days until our vacation. Don't know where I'm going to put that one, but I need a vacation. I think we all do. And that's everything I got. I think it's awesome. I mean, $10 for all this. This is over probably $200 worth of stuff. Pretty cool. And I only bought one box because I'd never bought one before. And I was afraid I'd get nothing but junk.
Money.
Oh, thank you. Do I get to wear it now?
Yeah.
Alright. I like it. Huh?
It was it.
I can wear it? Okay. I'll put it on. So, Ripley. I want to give everybody an update on Ripley. Come here, Ripley. What happened? Did you get a smiley face again today?
Mm-hmm.
You did? I'm so proud of you. So that makes 5 smiley faces in a row.
Mm-hmm.
You were good all week at school.
Mm-hmm.
You kept your hands to yourself. You didn't hit nobody. You didn't poke nobody in the eye. You didn't scream. You didn't throw a fit. And what did you get? What did you get? Stickers every day when you came home. Yes, you did. And what's this?
Freddy.
Freddie. He got a Freddie doll today. I told him if he was good all week, I'd take him shopping, and this is what he got.
Yeah.
All right? Give me a kiss. Mwah. Oh, my big boy. I'm so proud of you. So he's very excited because I'm proud of him. So
Yep.
I had to share the news. Chewy. Chewy's jealous. Uh-oh. Chewy's jealous. She doesn't like me to give anybody attention but Chewy. Isn't that right? Mm-hmm. Yes, I know. I know. Oh, come on. Get up here. Come on. Come on.
You're doing your work. You're doing your work.
Come here, Peanut. And Peanut's jealous too. Yes, he says. Chewy can't have all the kids. Oh, thank you. I know. I know. So, here's my babies. 2 of them. The other 2 are hiding. Peanut's getting big.
I got this.
One of them's behind me, I think, sleeping. The other one is down here next to me. But anyway, I just wanted to show you everything I got. This video will be coming out here in a little while. Today is the 14th. Yes, I know. I was gone too long today, wasn't I? Yes, I know. I was. Yes, I was. And you've been... This little devil, and where's her accomplice? And this little devil, if you can see, Charlie knocked the paper towels off the table, a whole roll. I came in here this morning and it was a disaster. The floor was covered in shredded paper towels, and I think somebody helped him. Yes, I do.
Me.
No, this little girl right here helped tear them all up, didn't you?
Yeah.
You had a good time. You had a good time. Mama loves you, though. All right, I'm going to end this video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm still giving away a prize when I hit 500. What? I got to say Freddie. I don't know why, but he wants me to say Freddie. And he's being good. He's doing really good. We got his room set up. Huh? Freddie, right now. Oh, okay. You're being watched. Okay, get your toys up because you know Peanut will chew it up. Chew up all your Freddy toys. Go put them in your room. So, you'll have a good evening. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment because I'm giving away when I hit 500 and I'm getting closer. 500. Go for it. Bye. You look adorable. I'm going to add you to my video. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
I have a lion in my window. Papa, you happy?